evoke feelings inside of you. So I figured, why not try with some craft supplies? And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you don't, then I'll never do this video ever again. So I ordered from Emmaline Bags. So I thought I would show you the beautifulness that is the bag hardware that I purchased. And with a purchase of $125, you got this. Sewing is my superpower notebook. It is lined 100% recyclable. So I have two of these bags. In the first bag, I have some zipper tape. Now I buy my zipper by the yard like this. And by doing that, you have a lot less waste. And then you can purchase as many zipper pulls as you need. I got this beautiful gold with black tape. I finally have some gold zippers in my stash. This is a size 5, which is rather large. And then I got a size 3. Size 3 is a perfect size for smaller zipper pouches or zippers inside of the lining of your bag, or just smaller zippers on the outside of your bag. So I will probably use this for those smaller ones. So with these 2 sets of zipper tapes, I did get silver bowls. This is how they look. They have a little piece of plastic to protect them so they don't scratch. But I got 20 of these. In size 3. And then 20 in size 5. And again, they have the tape on them to protect them from scratches. But I really like the simplicity of these ones. So here are the other 10 for the size 5. So these are zipper tape stoppers or ends. And this is how they look. They have a hole in the back. You slide in your zipper tape, and then you're going to put a screw in there, and that will stay secured onto your zipper tape. And then your zipper pulls won't slip off. So I got 10 of these. And there are the screws in the bag as well. Next I got half-inch D-rings. I guess I got 16. And these are all individually packaged to protect them from scratches. So I'm hoping to make some wallets with these, and then I can put on a wristlet strap. And then also making some small zipper pouches that can again be turned into wristlet type bags. And then I have some larger D-rings. These I think are 1-inch D-rings, and these can be used for the side of your bags. And again, they're all individually wrapped. I can't imagine being the person to wrap these individually. It must be painstaking work. But it just goes to show you the pride that Emmaline has in their bag hardware. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the last bag. And in this bag, I have things that I've ordered from eBay. So they do not sell this at Emmaline, but I did get them from eBay. So I was kind of looking at those Starbucks cups on TikTok one day, and I thought I would buy some faceted AB flat back gemstones, I guess you can call them. I accidentally snipped a hole into one of the bags, so I am dropping them everywhere. But these are flat backed, clear, but with AB, so they have like an iridescent look to them. So they're clear, but you can see purple and pink, blues and greens in them. So they're quite pretty when they reflect off the light. So I got 2 bags of this color. I also grabbed a green bag. Again, green, flat backed AB, which means that they have that iridescent look to them. Jewels. And I think there's like 1,000 in each of these bags. I can leave the eBay seller down below if anyone's interested. I really like the AB, so that's why I just got everything AB. But this is red, so I thought about making some Christmas gifts with these, but obviously we are well past that, so maybe next year, we'll see. And then this pink that I got for maybe something for my daughter, but I think it's so pretty. And another bag of the clear. Okay, next we have these. There are 10 of these Swivel Clasps. And these are usually put onto straps so you can attach them to purses. And then these swivel around. So these are 3/4 of an inch. I wanted everything to be 3/4 of an inch, but they ran out of the 3/4 of an inch D-rings as I was loading my cart. Go figure. So I got 10 of those. these adjustable sliders, and those again will go on purse straps. So now I'm a little uncoordinated because I have 3/4 of an inch swivel clasp and then 1 inch adjustable sliders. So that sucks. Hopefully I can still figure it out, but these in the middle move about. And the last thing is this white gold zipper tape. So depending on the bag that I'm making, if I wanted to have white tape with the gold hardware, or I want to have it with the black tape, I have my choice. And again, I bought a size 5. And I bought a size 3. So that's about it. I hope you enjoyed this fun little video. If you enjoyed it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't enjoy it, give me a thumbs down. And hopefully I can get back to doing more videos with you. As you all know, if you're not already following me on Instagram, homeschool is in full force. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial.